Sharing my thoughts on the IDEA Microsoft towels that come in a 50 pack. Number one, this is an amazing deal. I love that these are color coded, so you can designate a different color for a different chore or area around your house, so you avoid cross-contamination. We got these for, my husband actually wanted these, so he could use them for his car. They are great for using in the kitchen. They're great for using automobiles, computers, electronics. They are scratch resistant, and I want to also show you how absorbent they are. They're great just to have in the kitchen for quick spills with kids or wiping down your car after a quick rain. So I just have a glass of water. I'm gonna just shove it in here. And it just completely soaked up the water. We're looking for an assorted pack of microfiber towels that are scratch resistant, can be shared around multiple areas of your house, then I highly recommend these by AIDEA.